how to set auto off timer for mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connections. So after click on connections, scroll down and click on mobile hotspot to different. So click on mobile hotspot. After click on mobile hotspot, click on BA&D band and click on advanced. After click on advanced, you will see turn off when on device connected off. So if you want to set time, so you will select time 5 minute, 10 minute, 20 minute, 30 minute, 60 minute, and never timeout. So after select time, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set auto off timer for mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.